Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky, and if you want to see more videos, I am creating like lots of videos, and they are all different types like blogs, hauls, and makeup tutorials, and there are many. It's on my channel. Do go check it out. If you like it, you can subscribe and follow me on social media. Links are below in the description box. So today I have created this look, and literally I'm in love with this look. Like I just tried, just cause like I wasn't sure at the beginning, but then I thought, why not I should try this. So yeah, I literally love it, and I hope you all will like it too. Do stick to the end so you will like see how I have created this look. So it's festive season, Diwali is around the corner, and also there will be Christmas, then New Year. So yeah, it's really good for festive season, and like I think you can just switch the colors I have used. You can just use some other color instead of green, and yeah, you can use silver glitter or bronze glitter or like gold glitter or any color of glitter, like do match with your outfit. And yeah, this eye makeup will look good on like pink lipsticks, light pink and rose, and like nude lipsticks, and I have applied a rose, so I literally like it. This one is not too dark, it's not too light too, so yeah, I literally like it. It's by Model Rock and literally love it. So it's Spanish rose. So yeah, I did cut my hair also a few days ago and literally like it. I did in layers, and yeah, if you want to see how I created this makeup look, and also I did my face makeup and my base too, so don't forget to watch that. So yes, let's begin. So my face is all clean. I'm going to just first apply this Shake and Glow spray, and this is just a luminous setting spray by L'Oreal. I think it's good for the base, so yeah, that's why. So now I'm going to just apply a serum. This is Skin Physics Super Lift, a Lifting and Firming Complex. This product has hyaluronic acid. I just wanted to like let you know about one of this moisturizer. This is for sensitive skin, and it's by Redwin, and it's really good. It's a collagen glow skin firming moisturizer. So I literally like it, and it's really good. And if you haven't tried, and if you want inexpensive product like this, is really good. I got this from Chemist Warehouse. You can apply a primer on top of this, but like I'm just leaving it. I'm just going to like use this Revolution setting spray. Okay, I'm just going to spray the setting spray. So the foundation I'm going to use is by Maybelline Fit Me. This is matte plus poreless foundation, and this one is normal to oily skin. So my skin type is combination, so it works for me. Okay, I think I'm going to just apply one coat. my eyes, okay? So for my eyes, I'm going to use this palette by Jacqueline Hill, and this is her first palette in the collaboration with Morphe, of course. So like it's been a while I haven't used it. So today I'm using this palette. Gosh, okay, it's gone. Comes like this with all shades names. So first a shade I'm going to use is okay, this shade. This one is called Beam. This one is a cream shade. You can use this one too, but I'm using this one because I want a little bit light. And this one is Jada. I've got no idea. Jada, Jada. That's how you say. So this color. I know it's not that matching my dress, but yeah, I think I don't have any other green with me. Oh, I have it. I didn't even check. So I'm gonna like apply this one, and then on top of this one I'm going to apply this only on the crease. Okay, you will see how I do it. So first Jada, then I'm going to apply Pool Party. So my daughter said to use Pool Party because Pool Party matches. So I'm going to apply Jada first. So I am like using a very small precise brush. You have to have patience while doing this. I think it's matching my dress, okay? Okay, so it doesn't look perfect, but we are going to blend. So I'm using this Zoevis pencil brush, and this is a clean one, and I'm just going to blend it with like no extra product. The brush I've used to apply the color, I'm going to apply the Pool Party, the second color I showed. I think this color has little shimmer and like it's bluish green, I think. So I'm going to just apply here, bottom part, not top part, okay? The inner part just halfway. I'm going to use the pen liner by Steve Laurent, and this is just a black liner, and I'm going to just line like this. And I'm going to just create an inner corner wing. Okay, I'm just going to try something, okay? Let's see if it looks good or not, okay? It's just my favorite glitter at the moment. You don't need any glue. I'm going to use a very small brush, and like I put so much of things here. Okay, this is how it should look. I have applied here too. I have applied these lashes by Morphe Rodeo. I'm going to use this master liner by Maybelline in the color black. to use the same pencil brush which I have blended this part. So I'm going to just blend, and I'll see if I need more color. And I'm going to take the same brush like which I've applied the glitter, it's all clean, and I'm going to apply the same first color which I have used on the lid area, beam, and I'm going to just apply a little bit to the inner part. Like you can use this as a highlighter too. I'm gonna take the green again, bluish green, the Jada color, and I'm going to just apply a little bit like this. I'm going to use this MCO Beauty mascara. This is a waterproof mascara. Just use this Bobbi Brown gel liner. This goes like, I thought my liner is a bit light, that's why. I'm just going to use the same Style London palette. I'm going to use a bronzer from here. This one. I'm going to use this highlighter. I'm applying a bronzer, then I'm applying a highlighter, and then I'm applying a blush. Just goes like the blush will blend the highlighter and the bronzer together. So I'm going to use the pink blush from this palette. You can see it has blended the edges together. Use this liner by Saint Luxie, and this is a Lavish. So you can apply a nude lipstick, but I'm going to apply this Spanish Rose by Model Rock. This is really a pretty color, and the other day I was wearing this and literally like it. Okay, so this is the end result. I hope you liked it, and I literally love the eye look, and it's really pretty and wearable too. And this is a festive season, so I thought why not, I should do this. So you all take care. Thanks so much for watching, and do subscribe if you want to see more videos like. Bye.